And other than back focusing on your finances, I think it's good it helps with every aspect of your life. Like once you start getting something set, it kind of puts you forward to get other things set. Like I got my $1,000 emergency fund, I have a savings, and then after that happened, I started not drinking soda, and now look where I'm at. So I think it's like a domino effect.
Definitely. That sense of accomplishment, you want to keep accomplishing things because it's a sense of pride you get inside that, hey, I did this. I have gotten this far. I can keep going.
Yeah.
And that's another thing. You have to just keep going because you're going to have setbacks.
Really, it's all about consistency.
Yes. It very much is about consistency. Everything in your life is about consistency. You want to lose weight? You have to be consistent. You want to save money? You want to buy a house? You have to be consistent on saving for that house. Everything is about consistency. And once again, you'll have setbacks. You will. There's going to be a day that you're like, I can put $500 into my account and I'm so excited about it. 2 tires blow out. I know this personally. So it's hard, but you just keep putting one foot in front of the other. You just keep going and you'll get out of it.